Hi everyone, we are the students of IT department of Welltech Multitech Engineering College. So we are here to present our project called a car parking slot reservation system using IoT. And our team members are myself Sanjay and Sivaprasad, Kamal. Our project guide is Ms. K. Vidyalakshmi. So let's get into our project. This is our abstract. Nowadays people are using the technologies to make the things easier. By using this wireless concept only, we have solved day-to-day many problems in our life. So we also included this wireless technology into a project for finding the solution for the tensed car parkers. So this project focused on the concept of car parking detection mechanism using the sensor in combination with the usage of IoT, sending the status of the parking slot to the user. The system the user can be able to from the home itself they can see where the parking slot is available or not. This data is sending through a Wi-Fi module is ESP8266. It is a low-cost Wi-Fi module and it uses HTTP to display our data. Yeah, let's come on to a scope of the project. The main aim of the project is to intimate the user about the availability of parking slot in a particular area using Internet of Things like IoT. And the system automatically calculates the billing of the vehicle park and sends a SMS to the vehicle owner about the billing. Existing system. In existing system, the car parking system is done manually and the bill generating process is taking too much of time. We can see in the walls or else in theaters like that. So initially we need to collect the parking bill from the person who is standing there. Then we need to get into where is finding that parking slot where is availability. Then we need to park the vehicle, and also for the billing we need to stand in the queue for the billing also. So it takes too much of time. This is what I say in the drawbacks of the system. Parking slot is not to the user before. Parking slot mismatch for the user in manual method. So, what the proposed system we have find out? In proposed system, the car parking system is done automatically, direct and information carry over for the user. The system of where the car parking slot available, it will be carried over to the user who is searching for the parking slot. The auto bill generation process provides the user-friendly process. So the user can able to build their own car, how much its cost means they can able to pay through its phone itself. Advantages of the proposed system. User will know the parking slot availability using IoT. User friendly and cannot mismatch. Yeah, this is a block diagram where the Arduino Mega is the head of the everything and the power supply is connected to the Arduino Mega board. The IoT module will display whether how the parking slot is available or not. So the LCD is used to display in that parking slot. GSM is used to sending the SMS through the mobile phone for the users. RTC, real-time clock will calculate the time how much a user is parking. Servo motor is a new concept here, so it is a shutter concept we are involving here, where the user cannot able to take their car before the billing statement. IR sensor is used to detect the parking slot availability or not. RFID reader and RFID tag. RFID reader is it will be in the entrance where the user will be having an RFID tag where the user can able to detect that the system can detect whether the user is booked the slot or not in the entrance itself. So there is no mismatch in that. Or modules: intimation of car parking slot, parking detection, billing and notification. Let's come into the intimation of parking slot. The Arduino Mega is connected to the power supply. IoT module will display our data. IR sensor is connected to that where they find whether the user has been booked or not. And the LCD is used to display our data. So this is what I said in the block diagram also. For the parking detection, the power supply directly connected to Arduino Mega. LCD is used to display the data. RFID and RFID tag. The RFID tagger will be with the user only for reading the RFID whether the user is booked or not. Billing. Arduino Mega is connected to the RTC, where the RTC will be calculating the timing where how much of time the user has been parked the vehicle. LCD is display the data. Servo motor, like I previously said, that shutter concept. So the user is paid means the shutter will be down, or else the user when the user is parked means the shutter will be up. Notification. So notification is the main concept here. This what make the user friendly for the users, because the billing generation process only took so much of time in real time. So while the Arduino Mega is connected to the power supply, LCD is used to display our data, IoT is a smart thing, and GSM is used to send the SMS to the user. Through IoT only, it's all our and just so the GSM will be sending the SMS to the user, how much time they have parked, how much to pay, everything. Through the IoT model only, they will display that how much amount, and the user can able to pay how much it cost, means they can easily pay through that mobile itself. These are hardware requirements: power supply, Arduino Mega, LCD, IR sensor, LED, RTC, RFID reader and tag, and GSM, IoT and servo motor. Software requirements, we are using only Arduino IDE and embedded C. Applications, it is used in the concept of car parking detection mechanism using the sensor and also with the combination of usage of IoT. It gives alert to the user when the parking time is finished. In future what we are doing, in future we can make the whole system controlled by AI, like a chatbot. Also show the vehicle's plate number that parked in the stop using the deep learning. Like nowadays it is so popular, I think so, in traffic police environment. So that's also we are going to implement in future. Conclusion, this project describes the architecture of a car parking system management system with a wireless sensor network. The developed system architecture requires devices that interact with each other to provide the necessary information. This system is implemented with every cheap devices and therefore can reduce parking spaces that are always stacked and long queues. This system provides availability parking information so that the driver feels more comfortable to find a parking spot. Does not require much of time to park the car and also waste many fuels with the technology developed. You can trust the wireless sensor technology implement the car parking system of the future. These are our reference papers. Thank you. Yeah, this is our project demo where from this low cost ESP8266, it is a low cost Wi-Fi module. From this only the information is going to the user. So let's get what is what. This is the RFID reader, these two are shutter motors, and this is the main Arduino Mega board. It is a GSM, and these two are IR sensors, and it is the power supply. So let me working. So this is the RFID tag where the user can able to tap there to the RFID reader. So the RFID reader will detect whether the user has been booked or not. So from the RFID reader, the information goes to the power supply. So the power supply will be indicated to the Arduino, like to the IR sensors whether the parking slot is simply available, the user wasn't booked to the parking number 1 or 2, like that. So the user can able to park the vehicle in that allocated space, and then the servo motor will be worked. Like it is the entrance for the servo motor. From this only the user can able to come into the entrance, and it is the servo motor for the shutter. Before I say that, so the shutter will be up when the user has been parked. Then the after billing the payment, the shutter will be closed, and the user can able to get outside. And it is the RTC. So thank you.